Layers, it's actually something that I didn't pay too much attention to when I was first learning Scratch. But essentially, a layer is what you think. So, like, imagine two pieces of paper. One's orange and one's red. You just layer one on top of the other, so you can see that the red is on top of the orange here. And the same goes for sprites. And I noticed when you click a sprite and move that sprite, it'll actually jump in front of that layer. Okay, so it's sort of, you don't have too much control over this, right? But you can actually go into looks, I believe. Yeah, you can go to looks, and you can go ahead and make a sprite go to the front. So let me zoom into this block really quick. So you see go to front, and go to front is to say go to the frontmost layer possible. So if I say go to front, this cat, the Scratch cat, will always be in the front. So I assume when we have the event where you make a clone here, when a clone is created, you can go ahead and probably say go to front, and I assume that clone will then go to the front. And just one more point about layers really quickly is you have here, you have go back a certain amount of layers. So right now we see this was, I assume this is layer 1 and this is layer 2. And if we created a third sprite, that would be, layer 3 underneath. So we can go ahead and get really technical and say, move back 2 layers, move back, one behind the cat and then another behind the crab here. So really, I think you can only actually play with these 2 blocks in relations to layers. So I hope that helps. And again, to reiterate again, when you create the clone, I would say go to front to have the clones create in the frontmost layer.